Hi Virgo, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for the next week. Let's see. What do we have for you, Virgo? Good message. Message for Virgo. Decision. Time for you to make an important decision, okay? Something good is coming for you, Virgo. After a long period of stagnation, can see big change coming for you, Virgo. We have purity. You are someone very kind, generous, helping others. With a big heart, Virgo. Let's see, what do you need to focus? Wow. Time for you to make an important decision. It's a confirmation here. It's like a crossroad in your life. You need to see clearly what is the best decision for yourself, okay? With the sun, this decision is going to bring you a lot of love, joy, and happiness in your life. Let's see, Virgo. Message for Virgo. Okay, Virgo. You're going to receive a message. Okay. For some of you, he is talking about a reconciliation, or you are dealing with a Sagittarius. It's about finding a solution. You need to be open for a new idea, to learn new skills, like a student. There is also a new opportunity to be with someone new. Okay? Let's see. What you don't see coming, Virgo, okay? The truth will be revealed. It's clarity about the situation. The Ace of Swords. It's like a secret will be revealed. So you're celebrating something. You're feeling very exciting, Virgo. Let's see. With Temperance showing up, it's also... You have the moon in the Ace of Wands. Definitely I can see a new connection with a Pisces, a Cancer here. It's about perfect timing, transforming negativity in positivity, finding balance in your life, Virgo. Let's see. Message for Virgo. We have the Eight of Cups. You are choosing yourself, leaving your past behind the situation because it's not serving you anymore. Ace of Swords again. Clarity. Success, victory about the situation. An important message is showing up. Eight of Wands again. With the Three of Wands, the wait is over. It's your time here. Your ship is coming. You are ready for a new adventure, but yes, you have a lot of responsibilities, Virgo. Stay strong. It's going to pay off. You're very busy doing a lot of things at the same time, Virgo. Okay. And I feel like you are facing a difficult breakup, ending, or it's a difficult loss. It's important for you to heal, to take care of yourself, Virgo. Let's see, with the Eight of Cups. It's like you're making a decision for your future. Okay. So, it's time for you to be happy again, Virgo. A new light in your life. With the moon, you need to stay focused on your dream. Keep trying. Don't give up. Here's also your intuition, Virgo. There is a message showing up twice here. Feel like with this message you're going to find a solution. It's clarity about the situation. first is the Ace of Wands, Justice. This message is going to bring balance in your life. It's about karma. The truth will be revealed. Finding balance in your life. Or it can be talking about a judgment. If you are waiting for a marriage, a divorce, something legal here, justice is on your side, Virgo. With the Three of Wands, the wait is over. You can see the Six of Swords. You are moving in calm waters, Virgo. You don't want to fight anymore. You're choosing your own happiness. For some of you, it's talking about you're going to move, to travel very soon, okay? It's like a new destination in your life. Ten of Wands, having a lot of responsibilities. With the Ten of Wands for Virgo, Six of Pentacles. Open your heart again. You are going to receive what you deserve, okay? It's balance, equal give and take. You can see a gift, a promotion, something here is coming for you, something material here. With the Two of Pentacles, you're very busy, Virgo. With the Two of Pentacles for Virgo, the Lovers. For some of you, Virgo, you have two options. It's time for you to make a choice about your love life, okay? With the Lovers, is Gemini energy. The Three of Swords is feeling pain, heartbreak. What's going on with the Three of Swords? It's the health of a connection, I feel like, with the World card. For some of you, you've been dealing with the Taurus and Aquarius, Scorpio, Leo energy. Definitely it's the ending, but with the Death card, it's positive. It's you. You need to accept this ending, to letting go, okay? To move in a new direction, Virgo. You need to know how strong you are. You can see the sun is right over there, okay? The Hierophant, Taurus energy, it's about destiny, community, tradition, okay? You need to know also, Virgo, that you are a very good teacher. With the Fool card, the confirmation. You are ready for a new adventure in your life. And if you are a little bit more patient, I can see a new connection here. The Two of Cups, it's a soulmate connection. It's someone very different from you also. But there is feelings and attraction between you two. Virgo. Let's see. Message for Virgo. We have this card. This communication is also a fight, a conflict between you and someone. Your colleagues, your family. Just a focus on your goal, your objective. It's a distraction here. Luck is on your side, Virgo. Feel like it's about your business. Opportunity to travel very soon, Virgo. You want to have stability and family. Okay, about your job, you need to be open to receive some help, okay? A change is coming about your love life. Okay, trust your instincts, okay? With the Dark showing up, I feel like you are facing a very difficult breakup. It's very painful here. Accept this ending because I can see someone new coming for you in the near future. Let's see, Virgo, what do we have for you? Message for Virgo. Family room. You're going to celebrate something with your friends, your family, your community, in your home, your place, Virgo. Just be aware, feel like it's a friend of yours. This person is a false person. It's someone too good to be true or jealous about your success, okay? Let's see an advice for you, Virgo. Next week, it's important for you to make an important decision, okay? Feel like this decision is about your love life. It's going to change your future, Virgo. Open up to change, okay? Aquarius energy. But with Aquarius energy, is also talking about healing is going to be very important for you next week, and you need to affirm your dreams, okay? Virgo, this is your reading. Thank you so much for watching and being here. Take care. Bye.